So we're going to go through here and show you how to do meta tags on both products and pages in Volusion Webbuilder. So all of this will be under the inventory tab. So under inventory, we've got categories, we've got products. Those will be the two main areas we're focusing on. So right now we're on the categories page, and if we edit this category, we come in here to it's under this advanced info section. So you'll edit a category, scroll down toward the bottom. Under the advanced info, we have these menu items right here. And really the only one that we need to worry about is this search engine optimization here. Okay. And so this will give you the category URL text. So if we want to do custom URL with a keyword phrase for that category, which is a good idea, then this is where we would do that. Then we have the meta tag title, the meta title tag. I'm not sure why they put that the other way, but title meta tag. And then the meta description written right here. Meta keywords, I wouldn't waste any time on that. It's completely ignored by most search engines and recommended that we don't mess with putting meta keywords in the meta keyword tag. Okay. And we don't need to mess with the meta override. So we're really looking at the meta title and the meta description. The meta title is the only one anymore that is looked at for SEO purposes at this time. Meta description is still important, but this is what is going to be seen when people do a search. So if we go out here and run a search on the internet, for example, we'll just do a simple search here. So in the search results that you're seeing, this blue link is the meta title. Then we've got the URL, usually in green lettering, and then the black lettering is the meta description. And so the meta description is really used as ad copy. This is text that we'll put in to try and attract people, to bring them in, to convince them to click on our links. And so you're not always going to see the best examples of that when you look out there, but just keep that in mind, that the meta description should be ad copy that tells people why they need to come into this page and what the value is to them. We want to attract them. We want to get them to take action and come in. That's what the meta description is for. The meta title, on the other hand, this is for the search engines to see what the page is about. Now, the first thing that I would suggest you understand about meta titles is we need to have consistency. Whatever key phrase you put in that meta title, or if it's multiple key phrases, the key phrases you put in the meta title, those phrases must also show up in the content of the page. And so on each of these category pages, you have the ability to write content and create like a text box of information there. You want to make sure to do that and put some content in there and use that keyword phrase in that content. Okay, and then we put the key phrase in here. So every page and every product on your site can have a unique key phrase that you're targeting. It's part of why you need to do research to have a full list of key phrases, is because we're going to target multiple different phrases throughout the different parts of our site. So that's where you'll access the meta title for the categories. Again, that's under inventory categories. And then under each of these categories, you have an edit option that'll take you into that page. It's going to be similar for the products, inventory and then products. And then with each of these products, you'll click this little orange link on the left to edit the product. That'll bring you in here, and again, you've got the description where you can put more than just the basic descriptive information. We can actually put up to, well, you can put as many words as you want in there, really. It'll just keep lengthening that section, and you want to use the keyword phrase related to the product. So if we want to use black Hohner harmonica as our primary key phrase for this product, then we have that there in the product name. It's going to be in the product description as seen right here. and it will show up multiple times by default. Usually you want to make sure that it does, but not too often. We don't want to force it in there. Whatever is natural and reads logical. And then down here we've got the advanced info again, and the product URL text is important. This is going to be the end of the URL. So this again will be lowercase. URLs are always lowercase. So black hyphen Hohner hyphen harmonica would be the URL that we would put in there, and that'll show up after the / that comes on our domain name after our .com / and then this product URL. And then you can put in alt text for your photos right there. Then we've got the meta title tag again. So we're going to put in our meta title, very important for SEO, and then the meta description to grab people's attention, pull them in. This is our ad copy, remember. And then once again, remember, we're going to ignore the keywords tag as well as the meta tags override. Unless you're an advanced enough user and understand, why you would use those things, you don't need to mess with it. So really the only important one for SEO is the meta title. Meta description is important for what customers are going to see. Okay.